I'm glad to share with you how I use auto Axel bars to forge heavy duty crowbars. So in this episode I will show you how durable the Axel crowbars are. So normally it comes in sizes 2 to 3 feet. And what I do is I gather them from the auto scrap yard as I showed you in the earlier video ago. Very durable material for all kinds of forging works. These crowbars are heavy duty Axel bars that can be forged to crowbars and be used in various construction sites, the building construction site, the carpentry work sites, what have you. So it's a good material and the people over here love it, man. So that's a couple of them from the auto scrap yard. So before we can get our crowbar, we got to fold the one end tip of the bar into a flatness of 1/4 inch. Then we got to divide the flatness into two depending on how you hit the metal to the flatness. Maybe to 2 inches wide, or let's say 10 centimeters wide. So after hitting it to the flatness, you got to divide the flatness into 2 equal parts, which is the side that looks like the chisel end, to 2 equal parts. So what you're going to do is you do this to get a nail slot. You get it. So that's the process. You does that to get the nail slot where we can strike our nail from the wood. So these are some of the second step of the forging of the crowbar. So that's how the thing goes, man. Great. So after we get our nail slot, after we get this, what we're going to do is to put the bar into the forge and heat it into 3 inches long. Then we're going to screw it up. So this is our 3 inches long. Then we have to forge it into our bent claw nail slot. So we now forge the heated length at the horn part of the anvil to get our bent claw nail slot. That's it. So that's how the thing go. So if you see it, that's how we try to get the second step of the forging of the crowbar. So the thing really goes into various steps to get our forged crowbar. So after this, we got to harden it to prevent it from breaking or maybe returning back of the forged bent side. So it's a durable material that people love here because of the quality of the metal, because of the high iron in there. So I do this with my anvil and chisel and the horn part of the anvil. If you don't have your anvil doesn't have the horn side, you're going to find yourself very wandering trying to forge or get the U shape of the crowbar. So I always motivate myself, no pain, no gain. You always have to work hard. I'm always trying to inspire the world. When I'm in the forge, I don't joke at all. I always try to do my best to get my daily bread. I can't do any job apart from doing what I love, man. So as you know me, always when I'm in the forge, it's all about fireworks, and I keep swinging the hammer like nobody's business. I'm just praying that one of these days I can get the necessary tools in my shop and also teach the young ones. So please do show some love, share, share my video, and support Blacksmith. Let's keep inspiring the world with our hard works. Let people get inspired. Let somebody take his ass up and start doing something for his and him or himself. Because life is too short. As we are on this planet, we all have to do our best to make the world a better place, man. So cheers wherever you are. This is Blacksmith, and I say I love you all. I want my viewers. We all got to work hard to make the better out of all whatever that come out on our way, man. So this has a Crowbars, very durable, good for constructional jobs here because of the ability of the metal. So normally what happens is sometimes when the orders are plenty, it takes me like a week or 3 to 4 days to get them done. I'll forge the bent side of the crowbar, which is the bent nail slot. Then maybe the following day I come to forge the lever tip of the crowbar. That is I think the 4th step of the whole thing. This side is also on another whole day. When I forge the bent side of the bar, then I got to rest and maybe come on the another day to come and complete it by coming to forge the lever end of the crowbar. So we get to start over here on another day. Imagine me forging this high tensile azo bars for like 2 days. It's not a joke at all. It's come with a lot of hard work, especially sometimes the forge is very hot. Please do subscribe. Let's keep inspiring the world. So sometimes if you could see the sun, sometimes the forge is very hot, and I have no choice than to keep working hard because we have a hot weather here. So hey, this is a Blacksmith, and I say so at this juncture we are to forge the lever end of the crowbar. We got to hit it to a flatness of 1/4 inch. Then divide it as we did when we were forging the bent side of the crowbar. So this is how the lever end of the crowbar is used. It's normally used to lift up the nail or the wood before we can use the bent side or the nail slot side of it to take off the nails. So what we do here is to divide it here into 2 equal parts and then bend it to a desired point that the smith or the blacksmith will see that it's okay. So maybe to a little bit of 80 angle degrees. So the lever end is always forged at the opposite of the bent nail slot. So if you do this, your crowbar is done. So this is our ANVIL bars, heavy duty bars used in various construction sites for splitting wood and for taking nails from the wood, and also for striking. Maybe sometimes if you want to dismantle a structure, you can use this to dismantle your structure. It comes in various sizes, and this is a diagram to demonstrate the part of the crowbar, bent cross.
You know how you do it every time.
The handle side of it.
Just down with this 25 pieces of
lovely heavy duty 25 pieces of crowbars.
You know how it is like.
You see this from Blacksmith. So you know how I work hard every time. So just check me out on my next episode of using ANVIL bars to forge stone quarry hammers. So do follow me, man. Please do. So this is a nice story to tell about. So on the next episode, just stay tuned and check me out how I forge the stone quarry hammer.